Welcome back. Worker unions SAMU and IMATU, representing workers at the Mahikeng local municipality, have decided to shut down the town's municipal offices in protest. Our reporter Zebulon Maine has more on the story. We'll bring you that story later. But let's cross now to Ulrich in the Northern Cape. A very good morning, Ulrich. What's happening with the Health Minister where you are?
Hi, good morning, Desiree. And well, the Health Minister is supposed to visit 2 vaccination sites here in the Kimberley area. Of course, this is the Galishiwe Day Hospital, one of the vaccination sites, and then the main vaccination site here in the Northern Cape, of course, looking at Harmony Home, which is across town. He'll then have a briefing and we'll talk about various aspects of the vaccination, the COVID pandemic in the country. But also because he did promise the Northern Cape Health Department earlier this year that he'll be bringing the J&J vaccine to the Northern Cape because of the long distances we have to travel in this province, and because the Pfizer require very high temperature, low temperatures, and so the Pfizer vaccine for use here in the Northern Cape is of course quite problematic from a logistic point of view. So he's coming here to look at those things as well, but also he's coming in the midst of the Northern Cape experiencing its 3rd wave. Of course, we've been having very high figures in the last couple of weeks. We've reached record figures at least twice in the last 3 weeks, and our death figures have also increased substantially. So he's also coming to familiarize himself in terms of what local authorities are doing to manage the 3rd wave, how they plan to make sure that it steadies and then it decreases, and just basically making sure that the province have everything that they need to fight the COVID-19 pandemic. Of course, the provincial health MEC, we spoke to him about a week ago. He was very concerned that we do not have enough nurses, for upsurge in hospitalization of people with COVID-19, and I'm sure that will feature very high in the conversation with the Health Minister Zweli Mkhize today. Of course, the other issues, of course, that the Minister is facing, there's been calls for his resignation, of course, after the whole digital vibe communication tender and all that's going on with that. So we'll obviously, as soon as we can, have a word with him about that as well. Desiree?
Yeah, clearly a lot to go through. Thank you so much, Ulrich. We will await to hear or see the details of the Health Minister's visit to the Northern Cape. Let's take you now